Professional power at your fingertips. That's what you can count on with Quilt Path. Now you can quilt your masterpiece with ease and professional accuracy using Quilt Path made specifically for APQS quilting machines. Enjoy the benefits of a professional computerized quilting system in the comfort of your own home. Quilt Path's easy-to-use removable touchscreen tablet makes it simple for you to design and lay out your project and let Quilt Path quilt it. The Quilt Path library gives you access to a vast library of more than 750 quilt-ready patterns with plenty of room for you to add or import your favorites. Or you can easily create your own unique quilting designs right inside Quilt Path. Want to mirror or rotate your patterns? What about using alternate patterns and rows? It's all done simply with the touch of a finger. Everything from pattern design, pantograph creation, and layout adjustment to precise pattern placement on your quilt. It's all at your fingertips with the touchpad screen. You can even record your freehand movement of the machine as a pattern, giving you complete control. Quilt Path relies on a precision belt drive to control the movement of the machine, giving you dead-on accuracy for even the most complicated patterns. The Quilt Path senses if you run out of thread or if the thread breaks and immediately stops quilting. This allows you to rethread your machine and pick up exactly where you left off to continue with your quilt pattern. With the touch of a button, you can release the Quilt Path belt for easier free motion quilting. Or, with a flip of a lever, you can completely release the Quilt Path from your machine, adding no extra weight when free motion quilting. Quilt Path can be added to any APQS machine from 2013 or newer that has a Bliss track system. The APQS Quilt Path is simple, easy, and accurate. Visit apqs.com to find the retailer closest to you, or to find out when our APQS Roadshow team will be in a city near you. APQS Quilt Forever.